What if you could crack JEE Main with such an ease? Time is too short for the JEE Main exam, and many of you have board exams also in between. Must be really confused how to revise so many chapters in such a short time, which questions to practice, and how to clear doubts on those questions, right? Don't worry. With Career Orbit's JEE Main crash course, you can fully prepare for JEE Main in the remaining short time and easily target 99 plus percentile. You can quickly revise and prepare chapters in 2 to 3 hours with Career Orbit's smart interactive study notes. These notes cover all the important concepts. You have already studied all the chapters. You have your basics in place. You have to simply revise and don't need to learn those concepts from the beginning. Some of the students think that it is easier to revise with lectures or videos, but it is impossible for anyone to cover 2 years syllabus in lectures in such a short time. And in any case, even after the lectures, you need to read the chapter all by yourself. So, you should not waste remaining short time on classes or lectures. These notes are interactive, means you click on any related concept and revise that concept. With Career Orbit Smart Notes, you can save up to 90% of your time. To score 99 plus percentile, it is crucial that you practice all the important questions thoroughly, and these questions cover all the major concepts, and the difficulty level of the questions should be matching with JEE Main. You get all these questions in the chapter-wise question bank. You need to practice all these questions and leave none. When you go wrong on a question, click on the solution button and you get detailed steps and tricks for each question. These solutions are so well explained that you should be able to spot your mistake at a glance. Like up to step 3, your solution matches, and in the next step you committed a silly mistake or a logical mistake. This should take you generally less than 1 minute to clear your doubts. You learned the steps to solve the questions, but what if you are not able to recall the steps in the actual exam? So, we add the wrongly answered questions to your personal revision list. To ensure accuracy, you need to practice these questions in your revision list repeatedly. In the explanations to the questions, if you fail to recall any concept, just click it, and in the first stage, you get definition and key formula. In 99% of the cases, you should be able to recall the concept. If you still fail to recall the concept, just click on Read More and you get detailed study note of that concept right there. Now revise your concept and save up to 90% of your precious time. And you need to work on time management during the exam and also test your accuracy under examination conditions. So prepare with chapter tests, minor tests, and full syllabus mock tests. These tests are based on latest pattern for JEE Main exam. In the full syllabus mock test, the difficulty level, sections, internal choices, negative marking are based on actual JEE Main exam pattern. The tests include single correct type questions and numerical value questions as per the latest pattern. You get all the tests at the time of joining. You can take any test anytime as per your convenience. After you submit a test, you get results same time. In the full syllabus mock test, you also get All India rank, AIR. In all the tests, you also get detailed analytics as to which questions earned you negative marks and which questions took you extra time. For the questions which you answered wrongly, you also get detailed steps and explanations. We add these wrongly answered questions and unanswered questions to flag list. Do practice these questions in the flag list to test yourself if you can answer these or similar questions correctly in the actual JEE Main exam. You can also easily target 99 plus percentile in JEE Main like these students. Take a step forward towards success. Take a free trial now.